New York is one of the best places in the States to eat like a king. We went exploring and tasted some of our favorite dishes in the city, from the best pizza in town to epic fried chicken with caviar. Let's eat! Katz is an institution in New York. The massive deli has been operating since 1888 and has been family-run for over 100 years. They sell all sorts of cured meats and franks, but our go-to is their Hot Pastrami sandwich. The pastrami curing process can take up to 30 days, and you can really taste the effort the family puts into their meats. The sandwich itself goes perfectly with a big plate of pickles and is so big you can easily share it with a friend. The place gets super packed during lunchtime, so be prepared to line up. Just down the road from Katz, you can find another spot worth lining up for. Russ Daughters specializes in smoked salmon and bagels. The shop opened all the way back in 1914 and has been serving up some of the best bagels in town ever since. Order a bagel with lox, which is cured salmon, and cream cheese to taste that signature New York bagel flavor. If you love fried chicken and want to eat something unique, you cannot miss out on the signature caviar and fried chicken at Momofuku Noodle Bar. The dish needs to be ordered online at least 2 days in advance and consists of 2 deep-fried chickens, chive crepes, chips, lots of condiments, a tin of caviar, and a tin of fish roe. The dish is inspired by the traditional Peking duck, and there really is nothing like it on the planet. So bring a group of friends for the feast of a lifetime. If you're in New York, you can't go beyond another of the city's staples, the hot dog. Gray's Papaya does one of the best in the city and has multiple locations spread out in Manhattan that are open around the clock. So order a frank, load it up with your favorite toppings, and enjoy. Joe's has been making one of the best slices in New York City since 1975 and was even featured in Spider-Man 2. The shop is always busy with people lining up to order a slice or full pie and offers several different toppings. Our pick is the pepperoni, which always seems to hit the spot. So order a slice or 2, add some rosemary, and feast on some of the best pizza in New York. Finish the savory eating adventure with one of the best desserts in Manhattan. Honey butter flavor has been a hit in Korea, and Korean restaurant Oiji in the East Village does a killer honey butter chips dessert. The chips are super crispy and are topped with their homemade sticky honey sauce. It'll be one of the best balances of savory, sweet, and spicy you'll ever taste.